Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to plug a tire with a nice little plug kit that you can get at any like AutoZone, or you can get this one I got at Harbor Freight. Basically all you need is this little kit. We found the screw stuck in the tire, or a nail, a pair of pliers. In this case, we'll probably use a screwdriver to try to get that loosened up a little bit. A little bit of soapy water. Now, check and see if it's leaking. What we know it is. Just spray a little soapy water on it, tire, until you find the hole. It'll bubble up where the hole is. Now, these kits come with your plug. A little bit of rubber cement that you put on the plug helps seal better. This one comes with a little knife so you can cut the leftover plug off. This tool cleans the inside of the hole that you're fixing to make when you pull that nail or screw or whatever you got stuck in there. And this one's put the plug in. We're going to show you how to do it real quick. Now you can also do this on your car. If it's on the front tire, you can actually turn your wheel where you can get access the nail or the screw, get it out, and you don't have to take the tire off. In this case, we had to take the tire off so we can get a good view of what's going on there. Took out our plug. We'll go ahead and get everything ready. Always get everything ready before you plug it. That way you won't lose so much air. Just kind of thread it through there like a thread through a needle. Just pulls on through. It's really snug. My fingers are dirty from the... Just pull it halfway through, just like that. Set it close and you have it ready. And go ahead and put your rubber cement on there. Now it's going to leak a little air while you do this. Just work as fast as you can. Don't panic. You'll lose the air regardless anyways. Unscrew it just a little bit. Well, might just go ahead and get it out with this. Just clean the hole up. Pull it out. Put your plug in. You have to twist a little bit. Get it to go in. Give it a little turn as it's going in. Helps out a lot. Just give it a little jake. It's a nice little razor blade they give you. Just careful, don't cut yourself. Cut the little tips off. You're road ready. Put your tire on, put a little air in it, you're good to go. Thank y'all for watching. Have a good day.